Let me have the red pipe right over there. Let me have that baby.
What?
That towel, that shirt. Let me have my red breaker bottle. Pull up on this side. Right there, right there. Ay, fuck.
Did you get it? Did you get it out?
It's gone back. Let go.
Hello. Okay. Thank you.
From the orange hook. Hey, put that fan on for a little bit.
Oh, the fan. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
I put it on a desk if you want. Is the door open over there?
Oh, that's fine. That's all good. Yeah.
All right,
Thanks.
See you all later.
Alrighty.
Let's keep coming down.
Oh, let me get back up. Okay.
I got my flashlight. You ready?
What do you say?
You ready, Jake?
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Ready. Oh.
What happened? Hey, babe, this pipe right here.
Yep, now it's supposed to be
Oh, okay.
a little loose.
Oh, okay, a little loose. Got it.
It's gotta. Can you see it back there, Jason? That one's gonna be a little loose. I think that's the way it was.
Yeah, let's come up. Yeah, let's come up.
It's gonna come up. Let me get in there. Yeah, it's behind this fucking fire shit. Fire dampener shit. Damn. Fuck. We're gonna have to go back up.
You got it?
Right there.
It didn't pinch. It just got
No, it just
caught
got
back there.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Okay, I am.
Let me clear over here.
Yeah, I'm almost 100% here too, man.
What is this? What is this right here? Is that a ground?
What the fuck was that? It just ricocheted. Huh?
Look down here. This one, when we go down, it's gonna get caught on this part right here. What is that?
That's it open. You got it?
Nope. No. Now I do.
Alright.
Is it clear now?
Yeah. Alright, clear?
Yeah. Hold.
God damn. I don't know how the fuck we got a better way.
Let's go much. Well, we are way up.
Way off. Did the fucking earth move? Oh man. We're gonna battle like a bitch. The earth move or what?
Okay. What do you got, Jay? Talk to me. Gotta get this out on the other side.
We're almost in. We got another 3 inches and we're good.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Remember, never turn the steering wheel. Always turn the rack and pinion. Because if we turn the steering wheel without the rack, we will break the ABS clock spring. All right. All right. What we doing?
Wait.
Hold up.
Hold up. Okay.
Push your exhaust back.
Yeah, we gotta push back. Here, go here. Watch your fingers. Come on, miss.
Right there.
Watch your fingers. Go ahead, push towards me. You gotta calm it down.
I'm about to try it out so I can put it down.
Right around there. No. Get that up. Watch your fingers. No, too much. Whoa. Okay, we're down. 2 cents. Okay. Push it towards me. Hold on. It's cutting my fucking hand. Go ahead, push it towards me. A little more. Right about there. That's it. Perfect. All right. There we go. There.
Getting there.
Yeah. Clear? On your side? Okay.
You have the connector that we originally took down. Remember that little connector, the long one?
What do you mean?
Remember there was one connector we didn't disconnect. It was really long.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Oh, you fixed it already. Okay. All right. That's what I was just
All right,
checking.
talk to me. You come in. Be careful with your ball joint status to see where you at. Okay. You going?
Yeah.
Hold on.
You clear or not?
I just want to make sure. This line, these, is this a bracket?
Let me see. That's clear.
That's clear?
All that is clear there.
Okay.
Just, yeah. Those ground clear. Clear?
Yeah?
Leaking? Yeah, but yeah, it's all leaking.
What's leaking?
Coolant.
From where? We haven't even added coolant yet.
No, that's just from the body. That's probably why.
Oh, it looks like it's leaking all the way from up here. What's dripping? Oh, this tube. This tube moved. That's why. It's a heater hose.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Here, put a
It's just that heater hose.
stuff a rag in there.
I got a rag.
You got it. After so many weeks, we still got water in the water. Because shit is down.
Figured the shit would bone dry.
Clear?
Clear.
Clear. Okay, I am touching my bolt on this side.
You're touching my hole. I got about 2 inches of space.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to try to catch on that. Now I'm all ready to mine. Let me have,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so. Getting the fucking earth move, man. This is ridiculous. So everything needs to go. The back needs to go towards you and the front towards me.
Back move towards you.
Just monitor it, Jason. I'm gonna try to move with my hands. If something falls, do not put your hands underneath. Just let it fall. You understand me?
Right.
Do not catch nothing. I'd rather pay for fucking that I can get from a junkyard and not pay for somebody's hand. Let me have a on a regular ratchet, Jason. Just a regular hand ratchet for now, but with an extension.
You need another light, see?
No, no,
No?
I just don't want nobody to get hurt.
No, yeah.
Okay, do me a favor. With your foot, push this towards the back. Not yet.
Towards the wall?
No, towards the back. Watch. Go ahead, push a little bit.
Oh, there you go.
Something wrong. There you go for a second. There you go, right there. Okay. All right, push again. Just a little bit. Right there. What the hell? Let go. Okay, so this.
See?
No. Okay, so I think we already came back what we need to. So now we have to go towards the left. Towards the left. Everything half an inch that way. So come push here with your foot. And I'm gonna try to catch one ball. Go ahead, slowly. Push. No, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. It's rock hard.
think you caught one, yeah.
I think I got another one too.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so then this we need to lower some to let that one catch. Okay, babe, tap it over there, babe, on your side.
Tap it down?
Yep.
All right.
Because I think that's the issue we had. Some shit was uneven.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, wait. Fuck.
What?
This AC line has to go up.
Oh,
Fuck. Hold on a second.
here's the light, please.
Come on, bitch. I don't know if you can get it to there. Fuck, how the hell did this line stay down here?
Can you push it through here?
I'm checking right now. It's so fucking stiff. There you go. Right about there somewhere. Right there. Okay. All right, big tap.
Tapping. Ready? Tell me when. Go.
Easy.
Again?
Can you guide your rack and pinion or no? Oh, you still got ways to go.